डेटा साइंस ये एक ऐसा फील्ड है जो हमारी दुनिया को पूरी तरह से ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहा है और आज इसमें अप टू डेट रहना बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है. सो इफ़ यू आर ड्रीमिंग टू मेक अ सॉलिड करियर इनटू डेटा साइंस, इट्स नॉट अ चॉइस बट इट हैज़ बिकम अ नेसेसिटी टू कीप योरसेल्फ अपडेटेड विद द लेटेस्ट टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक अगेन. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं टॉप 10 डेटा साइंस टूल्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में टू यूज इन 2023. First, we will start with exploring 5 tools and then we will shift our focus to 5 techniques. So the first tool in the list is Tableau. Guys, ये tool one of the best data visualization tools की category में आता है. Top MNCs like Amazon, Walmart, Cisco, etc. are using Tableau to get their business insights in a well-defined structure. So I can say that Tableau is like a super smart tool that helps people understand information by turning a boring data into colorful pictures, charts and graphs. It's like magic for data. Okay, so imagine you work at an ice cream shop and you want to know which ice cream flavors are the most popular. You have a list of all the ice creams people bought, but it's just a long list of numbers, and that's where Tableau comes in. You put your list into Tableau and it magically turns it into colorful pictures like pie charts. Now you can see that 30% of the people bought chocolate ice cream, 25% bought vanilla, and so on. It's much easier to understand than looking at the boring list of numbers. With this, next tool we have is Apache's Hadoop, which is written in Java language and it's widely used for large-scale data processing. This tool can handle storage and processing of big data. Now ये tool जो है, इसके backend में क्या working होती है? So Hadoop is famous for parallel data processing. अब ये पैरेलल डेटा प्रोसेसिंग क्या होता है? से वी हैव सम बिग डेटा, तो वो किसी लार्ज फाइल के फॉर्मेट में होगा, राइट? अब हम उस लार्ज फाइल को स्मॉलर चंक्स में स्प्लिट करके और उन्हें डिफरेंट नोड्स में पास करते हैं. सो इन अदर वर्ड्स, Hadoop वर्क्स बाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग लार्ज डेटा सेट्स अक्रॉस स्मॉलर नोड्स. नाउ ये जो नोड्स हैं वो बेसिकली वर्कलोड को ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं. So Hadoop can scale up the processing of both structured and unstructured data. And ultimately, this is how data scientists are able to effectively manage data irrespective of growing volumes. Then at number 3, we have Jupyter. It's an open source data science tool that we mostly use for Python programming. But apart from Python, Jupyter also supports other languages like Julia, R, and Fortran. So basically, it works as a computational notebook that includes codes, visualizations, equations, and text. Now, you know what the best part of this tool is? हम जो कोड जुपिटर फाइल में लिखते हैं उन्हें हम दूसरों के साथ में शेयर कर सकते हैं and we can work with others in the form of executable notebook. In Jupyter Notebook, we not only get the outputs of codes, but we can have an interactive outputs like plots and images. Now let's have a look at some cool features of Jupyter. Guys, you will be amazed to know that it supports 40 programming languages, having a user-friendly interface. Apart from that, Jupyter can be integrated with tools like Apache Spark, which is used for data analysis. Next comes BigML. So it's an online cloud-based tool that helps in data science and machine learning. Or we can take it like as a super smart tool for making predictions and decisions using data. It's kind of having a crystal ball for the future. Imagine you run a lemonade stand and you want to know when is the best time to sell lemonade to make most money out of it. You have lots of data like weather, the time of the day, and how much lemonade you sold in the past. You give all this data to BigML and it does its magic. It looks at the patterns and says, hey, when it's hot and sunny in the afternoon, you sell most of the lemonade. It's just like having a friend who knows exactly when to set up your stand for maximum profit. But BigML doesn't stop here. It can also help you with other decisions like figuring out which new lemonade flavor to try next. It looks at your past sales and says, people seem to love fruity flavors in the summer, so maybe you should try a new flavor lemonade. So Big ML is like your data buddy that helps you make smarter choice by finding hidden patterns in your information. It's just like a crystal ball that predicts what's best for your lemonade stand. And the last tool in our list is Python, which is a programming language, and इसके बारे में तो आपने definitely बहुत सुना होगा because this is most widely used programming language in data science. Python एक high level, general purpose, dynamic and interpreted programming language है जिसके पास में built-in data science structures and libraries का बहुत बड़ा collection है. So basically, Python helps in analyzing large data sets which can be structured, semi-structured or even unstructured. So the best part about this programming language is कि data science के अलावा भी हम उसका use web applications develop करने में कर सकते हैं. So for that reason, users prefers to learn this particular language. And apart from having simple syntax, it is known for the easiest language to learn, having an outstanding community support and contributors. So guys, we have seen top 5 tools used in data science. Now moving on to top 5 techniques. So the first widely used technique is scikit-learn. In short, it is also known as sklearn, which is a powerful machine learning library designed with the help of other libraries like matplotlib, pandas, numpy and scipy on top of Python. So ये tool हमें classification, regression, clustering, dimensionality reduction जैसे task perform करने के लिए different tools और algorithms provide करता है. Now this tool is designed to be user friendly and efficient, which makes it popular choice for both beginners and experienced data scientists. Then we have TensorFlow. It's a Python-friendly library used for numerical computations that makes machine learning and developing neural networks faster. Google Brain team ने इसे 2015 में publicly release किया था. TensorFlow मशीन लर्निंग और डीप लर्निंग मॉडल्स को एक साथ बंडल करके उन्हें यूजफुल बनाता है. It uses Python or JavaScript to provide a front-end API for building applications while executes those applications in high-performance C++. Next one is NLTK, which stands for Natural Language Toolkit. ये एक ऐसी लाइब्रेरी है जो नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग यानी कि NLP में काम आती है. इससे आप कंप्यूटर को नेचुरल लैंग्वेज जैसे कि हिंदी या इंग्लिश के टेक्स्ट को एनालाइज करवा सकते हैं. NLTK का यूज टेक्स्ट डेटा को प्रोसेस करने, सेंटेंस को वर्ड्स में ब्रेक करने, वर्ड्स को कैटेगराइज करके उनका मीनिंग समझाने में होता है. इट ऑल्सो यूज टू एक्सट्रैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट, परफॉर्म सेंटिमेंट एनालिसिस, translate languages or create text summaries. So in simple words, NLTK कंप्यूटर को ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज को समझाने में हेल्प करता है and it uses machine learning and linguistic techniques to work with the text data. Next in the list is Matplotlib. Guys, Matplotlib is a super handy tool that helps people turn boring numbers into colorful and informative pictures like graphs and charts. Think of it as your digital artist friend who takes data such as how the temperature changes throughout a day and transforms it into a visual story. With Matplotlib, you can create line graphs to see trends, bar charts to see compare different things, or pie charts to show parts of a whole. As it's like magic paper and colored pencils for your data, making it easier for you to see patterns and share your insights with others. Plus, Matplotlib is flexible, so you can customize your graphs with the different colors, labels, styles to make them look just the way you want. Whether you are a scientist trying to explain your research, a teacher illustrating a lesson, or just someone curious about your daily habits, Matplotlib is there to help you make your data more understandable and visually appealing. With this, let's move on to the last technique, that is Microsoft Excel. It's a spreadsheet program. Think of spreadsheet as the combination of rows and columns that forms a table. MS Excel freshers को easy analysis and understanding of data में बहुत help करता है. Even professionals can get a basic and initial level of idea what the data wants to say before getting into deep analysis. MS Excel comes with built-in formulas and it also provides various types of visualization elements like charts and graphs. And you know what the best part is? Even a non-technical person can start his data science journey from this tool. So far, we have just started to explore this amazing world of top data science tools and techniques. Now, if you also want to dive deeper into this exciting field and become a data science pro, then my friends, there is no better time than now. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step towards mastering data science and artificial intelligence by mastering advanced certification program offered by Fingertips, giving you an exposure to work on real-time data science projects, that too by industry experts. So don't miss it out. Thanks for watching this video and we'll see you in the next video.